Let's restore my car's headlights with this Renew and Restore wipes from Turtle Wax. I've got an old 99 Avalon here with badly clouded headlights. Before I restore them, I'm going to wipe them clean with this damp microfiber cloth. Now let's rip open one of these individualized packets and see what's inside. Inside we find a single wipe with pre-applied compound. I went ahead and put on the provided gloves and began polishing the right side headlight. I polished the whole headlight as consistently and as thoroughly as I can. Eventually, I began to see a pretty big difference, but I kept going a bit longer. Now I'm going to wipe the left side headlight clean with the damp cloth only for a fair comparison. So check this out. Here's the unpolished left headlight. It looks pretty bad. And here is the newly polished right side headlight, and that looks so much nicer. Let's look at the left side again. I think these wipes did a super job, and I highly recommend them. The link to these wipes is in the description of my video. Thanks for watching.